Hi guys, I am Satyam Sharma. In this video, I will tell you how to block website in Kali Linux. First of all, open the terminal. Now type sudo nano -etc/hosts. Now give your password. As you can see here, I have blocked the Instagram and I am going to block the famous website like Google. So please follow the step as I am doing. Now type www.google.com here. First of all, you can see here block. I am doing blocking of Google and the Google is not blocked. Here you can see that it is not blocked. Let's block it. Now type www.google.com. Now save it and exit. Now check the Google is blocked or not. Now I'm going to search the Google and you can see here
from same by using this. You should to just delete this name for unblocking. Now Google is working. Google is working as you can see here. Thank you.